Swift Parking by Cadswift is a clever 2D and 3D parking tool. The real treat to this tool is the amount of elements that can be manipulated on screen in the 2D and 3D views. You can manipulate the length of lines individually in both 2D and in 3D. In the 2D view, you can adjust the positioning of the wheel stop, and you can also adjust the wheel stop's side offsets. Obviously, you can also adjust the overall size, length and width using the typical hotspots. In the 3D, you have two extra hotspots to adjust the incline angle of the car park. You have one at the rear to adjust the height front to rear, and you have one on the right hand side to adjust the height of the right hand side. Notice that the wheel stop moves accordingly. You can adjust both these heights to be beyond the zero simultaneously, allowing this part to be manipulated over any terrain. In the 2D, you also have three forms of self-annotation. Firstly, the bay number text. This is taken from the ID of the part. This means you can use ArchiCAD's automatic counting when placing this element. You also have a wheel stop text. The characters of this element are set in the library part. Under the heading representation, down at wheel stop text, you type in your custom value. You notice you also have various options in regards to sizing and position of the text, and obviously the font. The bay number text can simply be turned on or off. The third annotation item is the option for a disabled symbol. You can turn the disabled symbol on, adjust the size and the positioning. You can also adjust the positioning on screen. In the object's user interface, you have two main pages, shape and size and representation. In the shape and size, you nominate the general car park shape, standard, parallel parking or angled parking. In the angled parking, you can also nominate the angle. You have a width control factor. This allows you to adjust the width in regards to the horizontal or to the incline. You can also set your 3D inclines manually here, and you have the option to turn on and off either line, adjust the length and keep the lengths equal. You can also turn your wheel stop on and off and adjust each settings here. The next page, you configure your 2D representation, your line style, options of straight, T and L, your text representation settings, your symbol options, and your 3D representation settings. This part makes documenting car parks in 2D and 3D incredibly simple and flexible.